Hi, and thank you so much for joining me today in this very unique celebration, because today we are celebrating the fact that we have reached over 20,000 subscribers, and I still cannot believe it to this day that we've reached 20,000 people of you, lovely people that press that subscribe button. It's remarkable as far as I'm concerned, and also another quite outstanding milestone for me is the fact that we have over 50 lovely and loyal members of the channel that through your contributions we've managed to purchase new equipment, and I will never ever be able to say enough thank yous to each and every one of you. In fact, anybody and everybody that supports the channel, I wish I could push my love through the camera lens to each and every one of you. So it's a big, huge, massive, mega thank you from me and the rest of the guys and team that put these videos together. And it's not just me saying thank you very much, I want to back that up by giving back something in a physical form to yourself. Little pause there for a second when I grab hold of what I'm talking about. Now, the first thing I want to do is to say a huge thanks to those 50 beautiful members that support the channel by offering out this particular thing here, which is an IPL hair removal device. Now, this is one of those handheld IPL laser types of devices used for getting rid of all that unwanted hair. It's a lovely product. You've seen it a lot on YouTube being advertised. It's by YouLike, and I think it deserves a special home. So what I'm going to be doing at the end of this video is giving a link to the Crossdressing Lifestyle website, where there will be a form that you can fill in if you would like this particular item. But please be aware that you need to be a member, and we will be checking those sort of email addresses against the names of the people that try and enter this particular competition. And we will be shipping this anywhere around the world, so it don't matter where you're actually located, we will get it to you, honestly we will. Now, the other thing I want to give away is something that I've used quite a bit in the past, certainly over the last couple of months, and this is this little beautiful compact Obia makeup case. It has its own little mirror in there, which is an illuminated mirror as well, as you can see here. And it's got a lovely storage compartment for all the little items you want to take with you, including your brushes up here, and all the makeup you can pop in here. And a nice little handy to carry case. So I think that's a beautiful little thing. Now, if you are a subscriber or a member, then this is open to you as well. So it's my way, or our way, of saying thank you very much for your loyalty and pressing those buttons. So I hope in some small way to reward all of our members and subscribers going forward with a little something every now and again. So let me just reiterate, the form will be available, or the link will be available to the form in the description down below of this particular video here, if you would like to enter that competition. Now, it will stay open until the end of October, so you've got a little bit of time just in case you missed this particular video. You don't particularly have to rush, so you will have it probably in your lovely hands, hopefully by the second or third week in November. And I will keep you up to date with how it's going on. But so thank you very much, each and every one of you, for your continued support. I hope at some stage to be celebrating maybe 50,000 lovely subscribers, but I can only do that with your help, and obviously keep producing videos and things that you really want to watch, whether they be makeup videos, out and about videos, product reviews. If you have anything on your mind that you think we should be producing here at the Crossdressing Lifestyle, just drop me an email. Again, the email address will be down below in the description. So sorry if that's a bit of a long-winded thank you, but honestly I am so delighted to have reached 20,000 lovely subscribers and 50 beautiful members that I thought I deserved a little video like this and a little thank you as well. So I will wrap it up just there, as usual, by saying stay gorgeous, stay safe, and until the next time, bye bye.